everybody, and welcome back to my Fatal Beauty channel. It's Fatal Beauty here, also known as Cindy Lumina, from the paranormal channel, Realms of the Paranormal, with Cindy Lumina. You are not alone. Let me show you the way. Guys, I have exciting news for you new YouTubers out there who need a little push, a little help, a little incentive. Ever heard of TUBEBUDDY? Well, the Tube is my buddy, and they've been helping me out. They've been teaching me the ropes on how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, on how to properly make a video, how to do your thumbnail, and the list goes on. They're basically like your mentor for YouTube. So hey, Zimba wants to say hello. Zimbalaya, come here, because you want to say hello. Ooh! Say, he's a little skittish. Say hello. Say hello. It's okay, my phone fell on the floor. Say hi, Zimba. It's my baby. Okay, baby, go. I hope you didn't break my phone. Anywho. So back on my buddy, Tube. The Tube. TubeBuddy is going to help you. So you know what? In the description below, you'll find a link to TubeBuddy and TubeBuddy. That's TUBEBUDDY. They're going to be your buddy too, and they're going to help you and teach you the ropes on YouTube. If you're a YouTube creator or thinking about being one, or know of someone who wants to be a YouTube creator, then go ahead and click on that link. Now it is an affiliate link, and I will not make much. A few little bucks. Hey, help a girl out. You know what I'm saying? I'm a starving artist. And in turn, I am helping you out. So check out TubeBuddy.com and get your groove on. Yeah, baby. Thank you, my Fatal Beautyettes, for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my posts, and make sure to click that TubeBuddy link and get started. Come on, guys. Come on, you know you wanna. Peace out.